Hi, this is Kevin with KGMJAM, owner of Pro Advertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to proadvertisersclub.com and join for free today. Okay, here's my sixth pack opening of the free packs that you get at Upper Deck e-pack every time you check in once a day. I've got three more to collect from this set, so I'm going to try to get at least one more today. So let's get going. Every pack gives you a complete set, and then so what you need to get is 7 different variant cards. And today I got and I don't have that one, so now I got 2 more to get. Okay, well let's go look at the collect product checklist. It's under entertainment and the checklist. All right, so you get a complete set every time you open a pack on that. But the variants here, the promo variants, and I've got every single one except one, 3PV Kiera. So I'll try to trade for that. Or no, I won't because I don't have any extra of these. But I'll go for that tomorrow. All right, thank you for watching, and till tomorrow, have a nice day.